Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to separate them in here. So this one we have number 6 cosecant of s squared. The integration of this one we have negative number 6 cotangent s. Now I will concentrate on this one. This one we have cosine s multiplied by cosine s squared. So we have the formula in here. Cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. And now we have cosine s squared. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to cosine s ds. This one we change by u, and we have u squared. This one we change by u. Cosine s ds we change by du. So u squared divided by u squared, we have number 1. So this one we have 1 over u squared minus number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u squared, we have negative 1 over u. Number 1, that is about u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine s. And now we combine the answer in here. So this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.